Hi everyone, so if you saw my last video, this pattern will look familiar. So last time I used the front and back of this bodice piece to make like a supportive under bodice slash bra, so that I could have bust support for wearing underneath Renaissance and medieval style dresses. So I want to make this dress in this beautiful black and gold brocade fabric. I love this fabric so much. It's so pretty, and I think it's gonna look like really dark and fancy. So I want to make this, and I think I want to do like puffed voluminous sleeves that tie on the shoulders. So they will be puffy. I think that would look really pretty. I don't know if I want to do trim around the neckline yet or not, but we'll see what happens. I do want to make it laced closed in the back. And this will basically be my test run or wearable mock-up of making the base of the Just Breathe dress. So this is working towards making the Just Breathe dress, but also I really want to dress in this fabric. Like, it kind of reminds me of like the Spanish king and queen. I believe they wore black and gold in Ever After. And so I'm going to get started. What am I going to do? Okay, so I have a supportive underbodice, so I don't need to worry about making this too structured. That's what I was kind of wanting to build an understructure for, so that when I make dresses in the future, I don't have to spend a lot of time making sure they're more structured and stuff. I'll just pop on the underbodice so to support most of the chest volume, and then I will just be able to put a dress over it and not really have to worry about supportive garments now. Okay, so I'm starting to rethink my choices. I think what has me stuck is I don't like the idea of using darts here to disrupt the pattern on the fabric. So now I'm thinking I'll even this bottom area down where the bust darts kind of make it curve, and I might take that fullness away from the sides so that they're angled like this on the sides. And then there's also supposed to be darts in this pattern on the back, and I would take that out by angling the side pieces. Because I mean, they're supposed to have like a straight, smooth front, and this pattern includes darts. So I think I'm just going to, remove the darts from here by just taking width for the underbust area out of the side panels. So that's what I'm thinking.